Hello Cocktubers! Today I'm gonna present you Star Wars gadgets. Also, I'm gonna give away one of these Darth Vader helmets. Let's start! This Star Wars Darth Vader wall light, it's not only a night light, but it's awesome feature in your room. The Darth Vader helmet light comes with a crack sticker, which is self-adhesive, and 2 screws. The light works with 3 AA batteries and power switch with timer cut off, which is cool feature. Now let's put the sticker on wall and carefully peel it off. On marketplaces, put those 2 screws and hang out the helmet. I'm very surprised at how it looks on my wall, and that red light looks so awesome. With cracked sticker, looks like Darth Vader came out from wall. I will put links below this video to check these cool Star Wars gadgets. Next gadget is Desktop Stormtrooper helmet lamp, which also is battery operated and very bright light, with power on button at front. The last Star Wars gadget is this Darth Vader cloth hanger, and believe me, someone will be surprised when opens the closet. To enter this giveaway, you must comment in comments below of this video and say, I want this Darth Vader helmet. Good luck, Cocktubers! And I forgot, in next video I'm gonna choose randomly one winner. That's it.